Hello, everybody. I'm so excited to open the package. It traveled the whole way from the United States to Egypt. Wow, it's the first time I got such an order from so far away, you know, and they even didn't try to deliver it. They can be a little bit messier in Egypt, but from the day it came, I developed energetical connection to it, and I just knew it's already here. So I followed my feeling, I followed my intuition, and I found the post where it was. And it's so exciting. Super exciting. I cannot wait to see it. Ooh, there's a lot of lovely things here. And now we have the Ooh, very nicely packed to make sure it's not gonna be. Oh my God. Oh my God. This feels so powerful. This feels so strong. Oh my God, I can feel it already in my hand. My hand is vibrating. I can feel it affecting all my energy field. Oh my God, this is incredible. This is like from a different space, from a different dimension. It has a super high frequency. Oh my God, this is a miracle. This is awesome. What an incredible thing to have. Let me see just the pyramid in my hand. It immediately amplifies my energy field and it feels super, super strong and protective, amplifying and clearing my energy field. I cannot wait to have it for a little bit longer to really connect with it and to find out what the effects are. Super awesome.